Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll walk you through how to swap out SIM cards on the Honor Magic V5. Like most smartphones nowadays, the Honor Magic V5 has a SIM card slot, and on the Honor Magic V5 it is at the bottom of the device next to the USB Type-C port. Now, when using your SIM ejector tool, just poke it into the hole on the tray itself. You can tell that this is the tray because it has the cutout for the tray and a little hole in it. Don't put your SIM ejector tool in any of the microphone holes there on the other side or on the speaker grill on this side because you will damage its water resistance. But in this case, I'm going to pop my SIM ejector tool in there. It just pops the tray out just a little bit, and now I can pull out the tray and take my SIM card out. Likewise, if you want to insert a SIM card, same process, take your SIM ejector tool, in this case this one, pop your SIM ejector tool into the ejection hole, push it through and it pops out the tray. And then you pop your SIM card into the tray. In the case of the Honor Magic V5 Honor sent me for review, it has two SIM trays, one on each side. So in this case, I'm going to choose slot 1, I believe that's it, and then pop the tray back in the way it came out. Easy peasy. So thanks for watching if you made it this far into this short video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.